Thank you for purchasing a Waters Co. Bio-Mineral Pot 1000 10-liter benchtop filter system. This step-by-step guide will show you how to flush your filters for the first time and assemble the unit. Let's start by unpacking the filter kit box and familiarizing ourselves with its contents. Micro cotton pad, alkalite diskette, sub-mineral cartridge, upper first stage filter, second stage filter, main filter, bioceramic filter. First, let's put the main benchtop assembly to one side. To begin the flushing process, remove the micro cotton pad from the upper first stage filter cover. Fill a sink or another appropriate vessel with cold water and submerge the upper first stage filter. In a separate sink or vessel filled with cold water, submerge the following filters: main filter, the second stage filter, the bioceramic filter, the sub-mineral cartridge, and the alkalite diskette. Soak all the components for 1 hour. Remove the soaked filters from the water and set them aside to drain. Next, take the upper first stage filter and reattach it to the upper first stage filter cover. Remove the main funnel from the main Bio 1000 benchtop assembly and place it in the sink. Remove the upper funnel and insert the upper first stage filter assembly. Ensure that the upper first stage filter cover is flush with the upper funnel. Place the upper funnel with the upper first stage filter attached back into the main funnel. Using cold water, flush the upper first stage filter continuously for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure to keep the water at a slow flow rate to keep the water from spilling out from the top of the upper funnel. When the first stage flush is complete, remove the upper funnel from the main funnel. Take the second stage filter and insert it into the main funnel so that it locks into place and sits flush with the bottom of the main funnel reservoir. Turn on the cold water at a low flow rate and allow the second stage filter to flush for 5 to 10 minutes. Once this flush is complete, it's time to attach the main filter to the underside of the main funnel. In a clockwise motion, screw the filter into the threads underneath the second stage filter. Ensure that the fit is snug, but do not over-tighten as this may damage your unit. Place the entire main funnel assembly back into the sink and flush cold water through at a low flow rate for 5 to 10 minutes. Again, ensure that the water does not spill over the sides of the main funnel. Once this flush is completed, reinsert the upper first stage funnel into the main funnel and set this component to the side. Next, rinse the remaining components, including the glass reservoir, in lukewarm water. You may wish to use a sterilizing agent such as apple cider vinegar, but this is not necessary. Once the rinsing is complete, place the glass reservoir back onto the base. Take the sub-mineral cartridge and place it into the bottom of the glass reservoir off to one side. Insert the bioceramic filter case into the top of the glass reservoir. Place the alkalite diskette into the bioceramic filter and place the bioceramic filter into the bioceramic filter case. Place the main funnel and upper funnel assembly onto the top of the glass reservoir. Your Bio-Mineral Pot 1000 benchtop filter is now ready for use. This filter comes equipped with Micron filter pads in the upper filter housing upon setup. These pads should be changed every 2 to 3 weeks or when they visually start to take on a yellow-brown color. To change the pads, remove the pre-filter cap by pressing it to the side with your thumb. Then simply remove the old pad. Insert a new one and replace the cap. Firmly pressing the bracket back into place. Now you can start enjoying toxic chemical-free mineralized alkaline water.